What's going on, everybody? It's Tyro Investing here. Starting off my YouTube channel here. I got my Twitter, I guess X now. Been just posting a lot on there, trying to do stock tips, charts, what I'm investing in for the long term, day trades, swing trades, crypto, personal finance, all sorts of stuff that has to just do with money and growing it. Because that's the goal everybody wants, right? At least it is for me. I don't know anybody that wants to lose money. Just so my first video on my channel is going to be one of the stocks that I am picking up and investing in and trading, and it's a stock everybody's super familiar with, Robinhood, ticker Hood. As you can see, I have the weekly chart up here, and this is kind of what I've been basing my whole technical strategy on. And technicals usually align with fundamentals in the end. But yeah, here's what I'm seeing. So looking back, Robinhood IPO'd in July 2021, so it's really not even that old yet. It's only been a few years. But as you can see, IPO'd, popped off the IPO when like everything was going crazy, and it's kind of just went from like $35 IPO to this range here, and it's been in this range now since January 2022. It's almost 2 years in this range, and getting as high as maybe say 14 and as low as right around high eights, low sevens. Pretty crazy that it's just been stuck in this loop of bouncing up, bouncing down, bouncing up, down, down, up, down. Currently, we are in a down. We are in the lower half of this support here. And basically the main thesis of why I'm buying right now. Even if all we do is, they don't blow our socks off, they just do what they've basically done. I'm looking to take a stock from high sevens to low eights up to $12, $13. I will take that trade 100 times out of 100 times. I don't care if it takes a few months, whatever. It doesn't matter. That's a great trade, and I will take that all day. One of the things that recently happened with Hood, they sold off on their earnings. They did not like their earnings. One of the big reasons why was their trading volume seemed to be lowering. Robinhood is definitely trying to get away from being known as meme fest, meme stocks, whatever. They're trying to get away from that. They want your money under management at Robinhood. Not management, but they just want your money there. And they're doing things like you can get 5% APY on cash in the savings. You can do a lot of good stuff there. You can start a Roth IRA there. You can get 1% match or all the way up to 3% match. And I know some of my buddies, they don't even get any match at work through their 401k. So Robinhood's already got better than they are being offered. So Robinhood is definitely trying to get away from that. And it's definitely like a long-term move. I think Hood is a very good long-term play. But just in terms of like where we are at right now, it's just very simple. Buy in the green, sell in the red. Buy in the green, sell in the red. If you super believe in it, you just keep buying in the green and, hoping it eventually goes above the red. But for me, I'm just taking this as a trade. And it's a long-term trade. We're talking months here. One of the things I really did like to see, Robinhood does a pretty good job on their investor relations page, coming out with their previous month's statistics, not just on their earnings call, but they update this monthly. September, big drop from July and August. Huge drop in like equity volume, crypto volume, option contract volume. It just dropped off of a cliff. Even like look at crypto. 3.4 billion was being traded in volume for crypto in July. Dropped all the way down to 1.2 in September. That's a massive drop. But what is good, look at October here. 2.3. It almost did a 100% increase for September. Same with equity. Not a 100% increase, but still month over month, you're looking at 15% increase in equity. Option contracts, 11% increase. Like, you're starting to see, oh, maybe people are, for whatever reason happened in September, I don't know. Volumes were way down, but it's good to see October, huge rebound, big rebound. Now, we want to see how that looks into November and December. And we all know crypto's getting hot again. Crypto is coming back. So if Robinhood can start making some really good money there, we could start seeing some short-term gains fundamentally. And that would match up with our thesis here of, over the next couple weeks and months, those translate to more gains, get back up into the 12, 13 area, and we have ourselves a very good trade. So that's kind of what I'm looking at with Hood. Robinhood, I use them. Just a very easy to use stock trading app. Like, anybody can use this, and that's not to say it's like a brain dead application. It's good for people who any level of expertise with stock trading. But that's just a personal preference. But I do believe that this is a good time to start loading up on Robinhood stock, and I know I will be, and I'm going to be making more videos to showcase like my buys, what I'm buying, what I'm holding, what I'm selling, what I like. Robinhood is just a good one because it's what I use for my portfolio. It's what they're into crypto. I really like the steps they're taking to become more than just a stock trading, what the meme, what everybody thinks, that they're looking to become a more serious player in the long-term investing game. So I like it for a trade here. I like it long-term. I like the crypto side of it. I really like where it's at right now. I am buying, and buy green, sell in the red. That's my plan. So I'm going to keep making some videos here, and I hope you guys like this one. If you did, give me a follow on Twitter. Sorry, not Twitter, X. Now that's going to take some getting used to. But yeah, give me a follow on there, and subscribe on here, like it, do all that good stuff. I'd appreciate it. And thank you for listening.